Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I cook my Nigerian perfect jollof rice. If you follow the step the way I prepare it, you will enjoy your Nigerian jollof rice. Right now, let's go straight to the video. Here is my red bell pepper and onion. I have little pepper here. Blend the bell pepper, onion and fresh pepper together. You can add to your pepper. This is the tomatoes I'm going to use. You can also use fresh tomatoes. How does the tomatoes become thick like this? Okay, I pour it on a sieve for some hours. This is the same tomatoes you are seeing in this plate. If you can do it like this, you don't need to cook your tomatoes before using it to cook your jollof rice. This is the water that came out from these very tomatoes. If you are using fresh tomatoes, make sure you cook it, blend it and cook it before you use it. If this is what I used to drain the excess water from the tomatoes, I just pour it there, leave it for some hours. If you are using fresh tomatoes, you will blend it together with the bell pepper, the onion and the pepper. I have already boiled my chicken and I have fried it. This is the oil I used to fry the chicken. The same oil I'm going to use to cook my jollof rice. Onion. You remember I showed you one onion that I blend together with the bell pepper. This is another onion. I used a lot of onion. Thyme. Jollof rice needs a lot of onion, but not too much. Cury. Dried blended onion. This is garlic, ginger. Give it a nice stir. It's on a low heat because I don't want my onion to burn. When you are cooking jollof rice, you must be careful how you fry the onion. Don't let it burn. When you are cooking your tomatoes, maybe you are using fresh tomatoes. After blending it, you will cook it in the pot without water. Just pour it in the pot. Allow it fry for about 2 minutes. Tomatoes paste or tin tomatoes. That is what I just added now. You can see the way I'm doing it. Make sure you are doing this on a low heat so that it will not burn. If you dare allow it burn, the taste of your jollof rice will be different from that party jollof rice that you used to enjoy. You will not have that real smell of jollof rice. Even the taste will reduce. So you have to make sure your eyes are always there. Keep your eyes on it. It's on a low heat because I don't want it to burn. So if you are using fresh tomatoes, after you have blended it, pour it in the pot. Just pour it direct to the pot without adding any water. Don't cover it. Let it cook until it's dried. Don't let it burn. Don't let it burn. Just leave it to cook for some time. Right now, I'm going to add the tomatoes. That is the onion and the bell pepper I blended. Please, after watching this video, prepare your own jollof rice this way and come and leave me a comment below my video So yummy, so delicious. 5 bellies. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, okay? Please. So I'm adding seasoning cube. I added 3 teaspoons. The teaspoon is not that smallest teaspoon. That is the seasoning cube I used. 3 teaspoons and not 3 tablespoons. The spoon is not as big as tablespoon and is bigger than teaspoon. Just cover it, allow it cook, and always check it so that it will not burn. You can see the oil is on top of the stew. That is to show that it's almost ready. And when you are cooking your jollof rice, do not use too much of oil. We need enough of oil to fry the tomatoes, and after frying it, if you see that the oil is too much, you remove from the oil. I used olive oil in this recipe. You can use groundnut oil, but do not use palm oil. So my tomatoes is ready. This is my rice. I'm using 1 kilo of rice, which is 5 cups of rice. So I did not parboil the rice. I wash it and wash it and wash it again to reduce the starch. You have to wash your rice very well. I hope you can see that there's not too much of oil in this stew. When oil is too much in your jollof rice, it will no longer be called jollof rice. We will call it porof rice. I just pour the stew, mix it very well. I'm just adding the chicken stock. I boiled my chicken without videoing it. I didn't film it. So if you want to boil your chicken, you add seasoning cube, curry, thyme, garlic, ginger, onion. If you like, you can also add pepper to boil your chicken. I did not use black pepper. I did not use white pepper. Remember to add thyme when you are boiling your chicken. And when you are frying your chicken, remember to add onion to the oil before you start frying it. So always check your rice so that it will not get burned. Just allow it boil 3 minutes, 2 minutes, you check it. Okay, don't leave it for a long time so that it will not burn. If your rice is cooked, it's done before it burn a little, it's good. It's better than the rice is not done and it's burnt. It's not good. But if it's ready and you allow it burnt a little, it's good. I'm talking about jollof rice now. You saw the way I stirred just now. Just stirred a little. I'm adding onion. The butter will help the rice to separate, not to gum together. So just stir it together. I'm not going to add any water. Remember, it's the water I used to boil my chicken. That was what I added. Cover it, allow it cook for some time, check on it. Right now my jollof rice is ready. Look at that. Look at that. When you are cooking your jollof rice, it is better you don't parboil it. If you really want to cook Nigerian jollof rice or party jollof rice, do not parboil your rice. If you parboil your rice, before you knew it, your rice will be ready, and the ingredients, everything that's supposed to cook together with your rice, will not have the access to your rice. But the rice will be ready in a very short time. So I will advise you not to parboil your rice before cooking your Nigerian jollof rice. So my rice is ready. This rice was very yummy, very delicious. So have you subscribed to my channel? Please like this video, leave me a comment below this video. There are other videos on my channel. How to make Nigerian egg roll, I have it on my channel. How to make Nigeria buns, how to make Nigeria puff puff, how to cook coconut rice, how to cook ogbolo soup, how to cook okra and ogbolo soup, how to cook black soup. I have so many videos on my channel. How to cook fried rice. Bye, see you on my next video.